Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Wrike for. To begin the installation of Wrike for enterprise project collaboration, visit the official Wrike website. Locate the Get Started button on the home page and click it. This will direct you to the sign up page. Enter your company email address in the provided field. Create a strong password that meets the required criteria. Once completed, click the Create Account button to proceed. You will receive a verification email. Check your inbox and click on the verification link. After confirming your email, log in to your new Wrike account. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your company name. Fill in the details and proceed to the next step. Now, it's time to set up your team. Add team members by entering their email addresses. You can also invite users later if you prefer. After adding team members, define your workspace settings. Choose preferred features and tools that align with your team's needs. When your workspace is tailored, click Create Workspace. Now, it's time to explore the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface and available tools. To create a new project, click on the New Project button. Fill in the project details including name, description, and deadlines. Assign team members to specific tasks within the project. Set priorities and deadlines for each task to ensure clarity. To enhance collaboration, utilize the commenting feature on tasks. Encourage team members to share updates and feedback in real time. For organization, create folders to categorize projects and tasks. You can also set milestones to track project progress effectively. To integrate other tools your team uses, navigate to the Integrations section. Select the desired apps and follow the prompts to connect them. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.